What is the difference between spiritual initiation and inner work? What does the word initiation actually mean? It means a beginning or an entrance or a commencement into, upon something, to begin, to instruct, to introduce someone into. You're being initiated into this understanding of the hidden world, the esoteric world, the spirit world, the more invisible, the nuanced world of consciousness. What the initiation does is open you up to the process. It can reveal the shadow in a very, very powerful way and open the door, but that sense of inner work happens after you've been initiated into the mystery of this particular tradition. Is ritual and ceremony, is that inner work? And the answer is, it is an invitation. It is an opening. It is a commencement. It is an opportunity to go into inner work. So being initiated is opening up the door to your consciousness for inner work to occur. Now, are ceremony and ritual, sacred ritual, powerful? Absolutely. But it has little to do with your psychological relationship to your personality structure. So initiation and inner work is not the same thing. It will make you aware. It will open you up. It will give you potential insight. But the work, personality work, is different. Through this powerful ceremony or ritual and initiation, you told the universe, I want to see more. I am open to more. I am interested into going into the unseen realms and exploring them. So the game, the work, the inner work is now how you deal, how you navigate, how you integrate, how you discover, how you learn about those parts of yourself. After initiation, you will return into the human world. You will return into the relative world, and you must learn how to embody what you've seen, what you've tasted, what you've experienced in a humble, integrated way. So it's really powerful. You have some form of process which helps you build the maturity in your relationship to the spiritual world.